Baking a cake while you are camping sounds such a good idea. And because I'm a newbie in the Omnia oven world, I joined a Facebook group with Omnia enthusiasts. In the group, people are sharing their recipes, fails, and when they succeed to bake a good meal. So today I will try out to bake a cake and let's see how it works and if I succeed or if this will be a fail.
First, let's unpack the Omnia oven. I stored it in the handy bag that came with it when I bought it. In the bag, I can keep all the Omnia accessories, which is super convenient. Since I will be making a cake today, I won't need the muffin tray or the Omnia rack, so I will leave those in the bag. Now let's put the Omnia aside and start preparing the cake. I've already prepared all the ingredients and you can find the full recipe in the description of this video. First, we need to mix the sugar and vanilla sugar with the melted butter. Then we add some flour mixed with baking powder and milk. Stir everything well. It helps to add the flour bit by bit. It looks good. Now I will grease the silicone ring with a few drops of the leftover butter and pour in about 1/3 of the dough. I will level it a bit so it bakes evenly. For the final touch, I will add some cacao powder and a bit of rum aroma to the remaining dough and mix it in. By the way, please let me know how you do it and manage these steps without making a total mess around you. Now let's level it again so the cake will look nice and pretty. Time to start baking!
The Omnia is now doing its work. It's almost 150 degrees and in the meantime I will clean up the mess here.
After 20 minutes I checked how the cake was doing and it looks great. The recipe says it takes about 25 minutes, so I did the knife test to see if any dough sticks. It looks good and baked through. Now I will let it sit for a few more minutes to cool down a bit. Time to take it out! The Omnia is still hot, so be careful not to burn yourself. I used a plate to flip the cake out of the silicone ring. Wow, it looks great! And it's not burnt on the bottom, which was my biggest fear, especially after seeing some burnt cakes in the Facebook group. Let's flip it over to the ring side and check how it looks inside. I think it turned out really well.
I'm super happy that this test run was successful too. So let me know in the comments if you have any tips or advices how I should bake in the Omnia oven. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!